Hi, I'm Dad from Dad Simply Cooking. Welcome back to where we want to make easy, simple, affordable foods, not just in tiny portions, but maybe if we got to stretch it out through the next few days, you're here. You got leftovers for breakfast or lunch the next day. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I bring you easy, simple, budget friendly breakfast, dinner, and desserts. The ones that people hover in the kitchen and say, "Is it ready yet?" About every 5 minutes. Okay. Today, we're making one of my favorites, sheet pan breakfast sausage and egg cheese biscuits. Now, typically, you can do this with a pack of canned biscuits if you want to. Okay. We're going to be making our homemade biscuits. First off, we're going to need a bowl, blue bowl. Okay. Self-rising flour. Okay. 1, 2 and a half. 2.5 cups of all self-rising flour. Break it on down a little bit. Get those clumps taken out. I'm using a stick and a half of butter. Today is Mother's Day, by the way, so I want to sit there and thank my mother and my wife, the best mother I know. And if you guys will, her YouTube link is in the description below. If you go over there and tell her Happy Mother's Day, say hi. So you can fork in your butter if you want to. I'm going to use a different technique and just kind of like squeeze it in. I did this last time I made biscuits and it worked really good. And I just don't feel like forking. 1 cup of buttermilk. Now it's time to make that mess. Make sure you spray your pan. Get in thoroughly, you don't want to be sticking. All right, biscuits ready. Throw them in the oven. While our biscuits in the oven, let's go into our sausage and egg, get them all nice and ready. So here I just got some Jimmy Dean's breakfast sausage right there. And I'm just gonna plop it on out. That should be enough. I love this thing because it will cook fast, just like my biscuits in the oven. Wait until your sausage is, a little bit more cooked. But I had to break it down. No, those. You ain't get. All right, you get your eggs in there. Go ahead and mix them all in. Get all that sausage. Hopefully. So some pepper, salt. Check on your biscuits. These are broiled. Perfect. They are hot. Ow. So go ahead and rip them all open. It's fine when they're hot. It will be fine. I got cheese. Kobe cheese. We have our eggs set up with our cheese. Slice of said cheese. Another slice of said cheese. We're gonna throw these back in the oven for like 5 minutes till that cheese melts. Oh, y'all, so there we go. The ultimate sausage, egg, and cheese sheet pan biscuit. Or you can use canned biscuits. Makes it easier, makes it faster. Whatever. That cheese is holding that smashed egg and sausage together. Oh, nothing but to do but to dry it. Mm. Oh man, that's a biscuit right there. Mm-hmm. Plate up for the kids. Get ready for church. Happy Mother's Day. Feel like joining Dad's kitchen table? Please do so. I would greatly appreciate it, y'all. You like this content? I make simple, easy, budget-friendly meals, teaching people how to cook at home, save money because it's expensive out there. I'm a single income dad, the only one working. My wife stays home with the kids, and we set out with this channel to make it what it is to cook at home and make great things. I love you. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.